Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody was trying to follow a video I made probably years ago, and when they go to tools, it doesn't come up like mine does on where you can make the sizes large or black and white or color. Well, one, she's actually, well, let's just back up here and let's take away the boat clip art and just do clip art. So we want black and white. Well, same thing, tools, nothing shows up. So what you need to do is go to images first and then tools, and look at this. Then you can go size. I want large. Large is going to help you. It's going to be a cleaner image. And then go to color and go black and white. And let's say you want that boat right there. That's going to be the largest. Well, let's do this one. This is going to be the largest one. I am going to, I'm not going to say you should use this picture because it's on SD, but there's plenty out there that you don't have to. Go to copies, go up to Corel, open a new page, right click, paste, see how big it is and got some watermark. So let's reduce it inside, but it is a good clean graphic. I mean, it's a little bit fuzzy, but not too bad. And this one, even though they've got watermark, and I'm not saying you should use this, and I'm a firm believer to do the right thing, but people send me stuff like this all the time, and you know, it's on the internet, so I cropped out a lot of the stuff. Now I'm going to go to Trace Bitmap, Outline Trace Clip Art. That's what I use 99% of the time. And even with all the watermarks behind it, I don't think there's anything inside of it. And then move it out of the way. Now you see the bounding box is still there, but if you go to, let's see what our nudge factor is. This thing's, let's go to down so it's less than 4. Set my nudge factor on 4. Take the boat, clip art, go to object, group, and ungroup. Wow. Okay, here's the bit. Normally, the bitmap's on top. And as you can see, this one was on the bottom, so it's actually better. So we don't really have to do, well, there's going to be some white in the windows. So let's just prove that with the yellow box trick. Go object, order, backup page. See the white in the window? So you can do one of two things. And because this black isn't all touching, we're going to grab the boat. We're going to go to object, group, and ungroup it. And then we're going to get the white of the window and delete it. Now you have a great clean graphic. And if we left click, right click, you can see there's nothing there. And then you can just fill it in with black. So don't forget, go to images first, then tools, because this is really important that you pick large, because like that thing was real clean. Let's just pick any size. And of course, this boat came up again, but let's, you can't really tell, you know, how clear the graphic is. Let's pick this one right here. I'm going to right click, copy, go back to Corel. I'm going to right click, paste, and to see it even put it near the center of the page. Let's see how fuzzy it is. See how fuzzy it is? It's because it's not a large file. Now this could still be cleaned up, most likely. But anyway, give that a try and hope that helped a little bit. And thank you for watching.